Today we're listening to Aretha Franklin. Aretha Franklin is the mood of the day music-wise. And we're baking the world's best brownie. I kid you not, I found this claim on the recipe and I thought, okay, who are they kidding? Nobody makes the world's best brownie, but they do. And I managed to make it even better by tweaking, bringing little tips. I studied, I think, 10 brownie recipes before I finally zeroed in on this one, and I picked out 2 or 3 tips from other good recipes and kind of blended it all in together to make it the best brownie recipe ever. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with some really nice high quality cocoa powder. Now I like my brownie dark and intense, so I've used a blend of if you can see here, it's 2 kinds of cocoa powder. It's a blend of rich dark. Can you see the color difference? There's some special dark, extra dark cocoa powder, and that's just regular cocoa powder. So it's 3/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons on top of that. So that's all the cocoa powder we have in here. And this is 145 grams of unsalted butter. So let's put the butter in there. And this is 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar. Now I've used 1 cup white and 1/4 cup brown because brown gives it a nice chewy texture. So I'm pouring all the sugar over there. Oh, that's my favorite song. I love that song. Today, it's in the blues. So I was feeling really tired today, and then when the internet conked, I was like, maybe it's a sign that I don't need to do this today. But well, for those of you who are looking forward to the brownie baking session, I didn't want to disappoint you. We're going to put a little sprinkle of salt. I have this really nice pink salt, but you can use regular salt as well. Just a little dribble. So salt is amazing because it brings out the flavor of everything, and that's why we use salt. We don't want salty brownies at all, but salt enhances the flavor. Do a little bit more. I've got some water bubbling on the stove right there. You'll soon find out why. So now we're going to step over to the stove section. Oh, a little butter. Okay, come on, let's go to that side of life. So now, this is a little, so you can see there's a saucepan of hot water. What I'm yeah. So there's a saucepan of simmering water. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna put this bowl of butter, sugar, and soon to be added cocoa powder. And we're going to melt the butter and sugar over the simmering water. This is a good way to make sure it becomes really nice and granulated. This is one of the tricks from the recipes. It's a really cool way to melt your butter. It's going to take some time though. This is a time-consuming part. So in the meanwhile, we can maybe do some Q&A. I don't know.
Double boiling method.
Yeah, it's called the double boiling method. How do we... So, hi everyone. Well, we can do some Q&A. And Sam has an important announcement for those of you who live in Chennai. Sam, do you want to mention your... I'm going to put you on camera, Sam.
Yes.
Wait. There you go.
So finally the salons are opening tomorrow, guys. So if you've been waiting all these 3 or 2.5 months
For a manicure or pedicure.
yes, haircut, whatever services, tomorrow Wing Salon in Alvapet is open. If you need anything at all, give me a call.
Oh, look at Sam's t-shirt. That's Bambi.
Bambi.
Oh, it's so cute. All right. Look at that. Is the butter showing any signs of melting?
Not yet.
Not yet. It's going to be a while. It's going to take some time. This is going to take some time. So what have you guys been up to this week? Oh yeah, I did buy a new fridge. Thanks for asking. Who wants to see it? Okay, there it is. There's the new fridge, guys. But I might change it. It's not big enough. Paklam. We'll see what happens. I forgot to add the butter. Oh, the olive oil. I will be adding that next. So, Sam is stirring. Still,
No, there's still no signs.
be careful.
You need to add a little more water.
No. The butter has to melt. The butter has to melt. Well, give me some time. It's gonna take some time. I've increased the temperature a bit, so hopefully it will work out soon. So நீங்க எல்லாரும் இந்த வாரம் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தீங்க? Hello, where are you now? I'm in Chennai. என் வீட்ல தான் இருக்கேன். I'm making brownie. Beer bottle ah? Beer bottle வச்சிருக்கீங்க. எங்க beer bottle வச்சிருக்கேன்? Come on, I dare you to spot the beer bottle in my house. There's nothing wrong with drinking beer, by the way. I don't think anyone has beer right now, though, isn't it?
It's expensive.
Beer has become one of the most. There it is. It's melting. Beer, ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் இப்போலாம் வாங்குறதுக்கு.
It's like gold prices.
Yeah. But guys, tomorrow we move into the next phase of life. Should I turn on the lights? Maybe. Is that better? Yeah. So நாளைக்கு இருந்து we're going to be less locked down. I don't know.
Somebody says Sam is like Money Heist actor, it seems. Oh.
Enna Sam?
Which character in Money Heist I would like to know?
See, it's melting finally. Finally, can you see? Slowly melting. But yeah. So from tomorrow, we are entering. Okay, now I'm going to start adding the cocoa powder. நாளைக்குல இருந்து less lockdown life. இல்ல கொஞ்சமா. Oh, this cocoa powder smells so good. Smells really good.
Oh, Nairobi. That is true, guys. I have a big nose. Thank you.
Oh no! I spilled some cocoa powder, but not to worry. I'm gonna save it.
By the way, if you didn't know, Andy is a messy chef.
I think everybody knows by now. I'm always spilling stuff. So it's very stressful. In the video pandrathu enakku romba stressful. Very stressful. I always drop something when I'm cooking. Oh, you guys want to see what I made for lunch? It's making funny noises.
I think the water's dripping out.
No, it's fine. So see, I made palak paneer. Ooh, healthy. And there's also some yummy black chana. Well, not much left. But it's pretty good, guys. I think I've done a self-taught culinary course over the lockdown. Like most people have. So what were we talking about? Oh yeah, that from tomorrow onwards, our lives will be less lockdown than earlier. Are you guys excited? Who's going back to office or even to the salon? What are your plans for tomorrow, guys? It's the first day of freedom. La?
Technically, it's not, but yeah, it is.
It's we're on our way to freedom, people. Okay, see, the steam is, but can you see the mixture is changing? Oh. Well, எங்களுக்கு இப்போதுக்கு ஒரு வேலையும் கிடையாது. So, because theaters are not opening and we're not starting shoot yet. But that's why Instagram is there, I guess. So we will be entertaining you on Instagram like this.
Who is your favorite actor?
Who is my favorite actor? Worldwide? Oh God, there are so many people. I have lots of favorite actors. I like. Sorry, India patti பேசிக்கலாம். Ranbir Kapoor is my favorite actor. தமிழ்ல நீங்க இப்போ கேட்டீங்கன்னா Vijay is my favorite actor. Masterல வேற after working with him on Master, I really like Vijay. He's a super cool guy and very easy to work with also. In Hollywood, Jack Nicholson is my favorite actor. If anybody knows, I've watched any of Jack Nicholson movies, they will understand why, I guess.
Andrea is not a vegetarian, guys. Not yet.
Yeah, I'm vegetarian 75% of the time, but apappo I like to eat good chicken biryani or fish curry. Do you know from the start of the lockdown, I've not eaten any fish curry at all because என்னால் அதெல்லாம் சமைக்க முடியாது அண்ட் எனக்கு யாரும் ஃபிஷ் கறி அனுப்புகிற ஆண்டிஸ்லாம் இப்போது லாக்டவுனில் இருக்காங்க ஸோ மேபி ஆஃப்டர் this lockdown is fully lifted, I'll go and visit the aunties and have some yummy fish curry. Oh, you have to take a look at this. Look at it. It's a fully transformed mixture. Isn't that lovely? Ooh. Superb. The butter is almost fully melted. We still have some blobs, but it's almost melted, kind of. La 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 la. I like to hum randomly when I'm cooking.
They want you to sing Kolukattai song.
எனக்கு தெரியாது. It's not a real song, you know, guys. It was a dare or something. It was like a challenge on the show. I don't even remember. What is it? Cool Kolukattai?
No, because we were eating Kolukattai that day, and then you made a song out of
they asked me what do you like, and I said Kolukattai. So they're like, oh, yeah, now I remember. They were like, you mention anything, we'll bring it to you right now. I said Kolukattai because I know Chennai la any time of the day Kolukattai vaangadhu konjam kashtam. Ena naane poi thedi irukken neriya vaati. I love Kolukattai. The best Kolukattais come from some auntie in KK Nagar. My ex-manager Deepika knows this lady. She used to get for me. What a Kolukattai. Best Kolukattai ever. So yeah, then the challenge was accepted. They brought me the Kolukattai and I had to make a song out of it. That's all. But I don't remember anything about it except the Kolukattai.
Okay, some new people in the house. She's making a yummy brownie, guys.
Oh yeah, do they not know what we're doing?
Yeah, some of
Apart
them are
from
asking
goofing around, we're also doing something called baking the world's best brownie. I think we're ready here. Look at that. Ooh, come, take a close look. Okay, I think I'm going to switch this off. Ooh. Okay, that's just my juicer. Doesn't it look fancy? Rich and dark like it's supposed to be. Okay, we will be returning to this area again in a short while. Isn't it? நான் ஒரு எபிசோட் தான் பார்த்தேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் I said, sir, please, என்னால் இதெல்லாம் பார்க்க முடியாது. It was too much of gore and violence. So people ask me sometimes, how come you act in horror movies but you're scared of horror movies? When you're acting, you don't really know because there's a camera, there are lots of people on the set, and you're just doing one action. Padama Pakumbodu with sound effects and visual effects and all the scary effects, it's another experience altogether. So, yeah, till date I have not been able to watch a horror film, guys. Not even a film that I have been in. I think it's okay now. So we're going to crack these little eggs in. Okay. How many of you are going to try this recipe out? How many? I want to know. I hope at least 3 people will try my brownie.
தமிழ்ல பேசுங்க மேடம்.
சரி, நீ எத்தனை பேருங்க இப்போ வந்து இந்த brownie ட்ரை பண்ண போறீங்க? No answers?
Yes, good idea.
Thank you. Finally. Who's that? What's his name? Her name?
Logu, Purushot, and Praveen, Surya.
Thank you. So this is what I was thinking about doing. So நான் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன்னா, about 2 years ago I set up a charitable trust to help people with school fees, especially
I
school
think we have to
fees.
reduce the music.
Okay. Is it too loud? Sorry. Hold on. Yeah. So around 2 years ago, I set up a trust called the Sophia Trust. It's to help people with education. Because now unmaya enna nambrena, the only way we can change India is by educating more kids, you know. So that's my dream plan. And usually now on the income I just put a portion of my income into the charitable trust. But income illa. So I was thinking maybe I can auction some of my show clothes. Maybe the nice ladies will buy it and wear it to parties. Or maybe the nice gentlemen, ningala vandu unga girlfriends ku vaangala. Or you can just buy it as a souvenir if you love me. But yeah, that's next on the itinerary. Little auction of my show clothes. Because over the years I have bought a lot of beautiful clothes to wear at my shows. And they are in really good condition. They're all expensive clothes, designer clothes. And ஒரு ஷோல போட்டா அப்புறம் இன்னொரு வாட்டி போட முடியாது. So mostly அந்த ட்ரெஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து மேபி நான் வாழ்க்கையில ஒரு 2-3 வாட்டி தான் போட்டிருக்கேன். And that only for the show. So they're in very good condition. So I don't know guys, I hope. Oh, we put 3 eggs in, by the way, if anybody was counting. Pesi naane marandutten. But yeah, these are the plans. Look at that. It's become really nice and thick, isn't it? Yummy. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla syrup. Can you see if the teaspoon is around there? It's missing. Okay, never mind. Well, we can always just use a cap. So, oh, I think it's too much. So it's just a little vanilla essence. இது எங்க அம்மா கொடுத்தாங்க என்கிட்ட. When I decided to start baking, she gave me this, and it's almost over. So that means I've been baking a lot. So much. Oh, yesterday I made mango ice cream. எங்க அம்மா வந்து some 3 fat mangoes, but slightly overripe. So நான் cut பண்ணிட்டு I googled a nice recipe to make mango ice cream. And I made the ice cream and it's in my freezer. And if it's looking good, we shall taste it while the brownie is in the oven.
Okay, somebody's asking, is vanilla essence similar to vanilla syrup?
No, it's not the same thing. Vanilla syrup is probably got sugar and use it in your coffees. But vanilla essence is just the essence of the vanilla bean. I also have vanilla beans, but we can't really put that in here. So we just use the vanilla syrup. Ipo, we've come to the end of it. You just have to add the flour. It's just, so, you know why I love this brownie? Because it's only half a cup of flour. That's it. So this is the only brownie recipe I came across where there's more chocolate than flour. Isn't that amazing? So imagine how chocolatey that brownie is gonna be. And then we have one more secret ingredient, guys. One more secret ingredient. So I read somewhere that adding a bit of coffee powder, which is also one of my favorite things, adding a bit of not just coffee but espresso powder to the brownie really enhances the flavor. So on one of my trips to London last year, I got these really nice dark chocolate coated coffee beans. And now Morisa சாப்பிடல. There's still some left. So நாங்க என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா, we're going to put this into the grinder and grind it up into a powder and put it into our brownie mix. I think we've put everything in here except the olive oil. So this is just for moisture. So we're just going to put 1, 2. Avladha, not much. Nerriya butter போட்டுருக்கோம் already. Yeah. Okay. I really hope some of you will try this brownie recipe out. It's a little bit of work compared to the cupcakes, but the effort will totally be worth it because this brownie is amazing. Okay, come on. Let's go into the kitchen now. Our batter is almost ready. We only have to do this. Tick, tick, tick. So I've got the grinder somewhere. It's right here. So I'm going to just pop these in. So it serves a dual purpose because it's coffee and chocolate. So there's some little bits of chocolate which will go into our little brownie. Hey! Fine, Sam, since you're doing so much of work,
Yeah.
you can have a chocolate. Isn't it yummy?
Yum.
Maybe I'll have one. Okay. That's it.
We will be saving this on Andrea's IGTV, guys. So if you want to check
yeah.
out the recipe later, you can.
And we will put up all the ingredients as well. So I'm going to just put this mixture into the brownie. Ooh la la! Do a small pan. Right? I think so. Oh wow. Okay. Are they both equal? I don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
Nah? I think so too. So guys, well, how do I say this?
Did you use baking powder?
No baking powder at all. Nothing. Because these are brownies. We don't want them to rise like cakes. Brownies are flat, so they don't need baking powder. I would advise that you don't use because I didn't see any recipes. Also, did you guys notice this is the only brownie recipe which doesn't use any chocolate? It's only cocoa powder. The author of this recipe says that only cocoa powder means the brownie consistency is better. That's apparently why. Okay, I think we've cleaned this out pretty much. Sam and I will lick the bowl clean later. Actually, you guys have to thank Sam for today's baking session. I was really not in the mood. I was very tired and sad. And Sam said, "No, let's do it, Andy. Come on, I want the brownie." So I said, okay, fine, we'll do it. And I must say, I'm feeling a lot chirpier after this. I think baking is really therapeutic, guys. So anytime you guys feel sad, maybe you should just bake something. It might make you feel a whole lot better. Okay, we're done here. Toppings. This, some chopped walnuts. But this time we thought we'll be a little more organized.
Somebody says use coconut oil.
Yeah, you know, I use coconut oil in my banana bread loaf, which maybe I'll do for you guys next week. But don't really want a coconut flavor in these brownies unless I'm doing a vegan brownie. And we didn't really use a lot of oil because we used butter. Also brownies, you don't need more than one brownie anyway, so it doesn't matter. But I do have a beautiful banana bread recipe which is made with only atta, honey and coconut oil, and maybe I'll do that for you guys sometime if you're interested. It's a healthy one. Now we can do some chocolate chips just on top. I heard the oven timer also going off. Since we have 2 batches of brownie, I'm going to go all out and sprinkle some salt on top. How about that, Sam?
Yeah. We need that twist.
Nah?
Salty twist.
Yeah! So these are salted brownies now. Okay, and they're ready to go to the oven. Almost fell.
Oops, I thought you were hopping.
No, I actually almost fell. Okay, this is super hot right now. And the other. It's like mommy and baby. And it's very hot. So. And we do the oven timer for 25 minutes. Yeah. Okay then. Let's wash my hands a bit. I'm so tired.
Are we doing the sunset?
We can. Is the sun setting?
I think it's almost set.
Oh wow, it looks so pretty. Huh?
Whoa, look at the sky.
I think. Should we go up to the terrace? It's so pretty. Let's go up to the terrace. Who wants to go up to the terrace? Yes, no, maybe. It's
They want
really
you to
nice.
sing.
Yeah, we'll sing. We'll do on the terrace. But first. You can try it. So good, right?
Oh, yum.
You know what's better than brownie? Brownie batter.
Oh, somebody's asking how are the bees? Are they disturbing you?
They're still there. You want to say hello to the bees, guys? Come on, let's say hi to the bees. I hope the bees don't smell the brownie. They'll come for it. I think if bees eat Nutella, they'll make chocolate flavored honey.
That's a good thought.
There they are. Can you guys see them? Brightness. Okay. Well, guys, let's go up to the terrace.
Hold. I'll just wash my hands.
I think we still have some more time before the sun sets, so let's go. Okay. Well, come on, Sam. Let's go up. This is my little piano corner. That's the little cat. I got this cat when I went to Japan. It's supposed to be a lucky cat. Isn't that cute? It's a cute cat. இப்போ நாங்க மொட்டை மாடிக்கு போகிறோம். Oh, this is the window where we shot the Girl Next Door series. That's where Sundar used to stand and take the pictures.
That one.
Yeah, that one. Long distance shoots. Oh wow. Oh my god, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oof. I'm going to take a picture of that. How do we do? Oh, you have to take. the nicest thing about this lockdown has been coming up to my terrace and enjoying the sunset. And I know the tiles are dirty. Lots of you have commented on it, but to be dirty. சரி இப்போ பாடலாமா ஒரு பாட்டு? இன்னைக்கு என்ன பாட்டு பாடலாம்? Any requests? இல்லைன்னா நான் ஒரு இங்கிலீஷ் பாட்டு பாடுறேன். And the dreams that you dare to dream, there you'll find me. இதுவரையா? Okay. இதுவரை இல்லாத உணர்வது இதயத்தில் உண்டான கனவிது பலித்திடும் அந்நாளை தேடிடும் பாடல் கேட்டாயோ மூடாமல் மூடது தேடாமல் தேடி கிடைத்தது எங்கே மூடாமல் மூடி மறைத்தது தானாக பூத்து வருகிறது தேடாமல் தேடி கிடைத்தது எங்கே இங்கே ஒரு இன்பம் வந்து நிறைய இப்போது என் உண்மை நிலை அறிய தாங்காமலும் தூங்காமலும் நாள் செல்லுதே இல்லாமலே நித்தம் வரும் கனவு கொல்லாமல் கொல்ல சுகம் என்னென்று சொல்ல நீ துணை வர வேண்டும் நீண்ட வழி என் பயணம் ஓ Okay. My hand hurts. Sam, what's cooking?
I'm busy. Instagram.
I'm sweating. It's so hot.
Shall we go back?
I think we shall. We're going back down, guys. Kindly bear with us for any connection issues. Ta-da! Home sweet home. We're back. Let's go check on the brownies. There they are. Not much, not much. Okay. Last time I don't think we did Who's the Hero, did we? No, we didn't. So maybe we can do it this time. Since everybody... Is this a good spot for connection and everything? Or maybe we'll sit at the piano. Yeah, that's better. Ha! This is a good frame. It's like a movie. I'm gonna get my microphone. Did I do this last time as well?
No.
So I did a Zoom concert for a bunch of healthcare professionals, and this was my mic. So I'm going to use it today also. Who's the hero? Who's the hero? Kakavanda vadiyaro. தாக்க வந்த பாட்டிகளை நாடு நாராய் கிழிக்கும் Zorro. Who's the hero? Who's the hero? காக்க வந்த வாதியாரோ காக்க வந்த பாட்டிகளை நாடு நாராய் கிழிக்கும் Zorro. சாகசத்தின் மாறு பேரோ சிரி வந்த வேகமான ஆரோ பாயும்போதும் அந்த லாவகத்தை பாரு பேங் கபூம் பல்லவேது சத்தம் கேக்குதே Who's the hero? Who's the hero? காக்க வந்த வாதியாரோ தாக்க வந்த பாட்டிகளை நாரை நாராய் கிழிக்கும் Zorro. Who's the hero? Who's the hero? காக்க வந்த வாதியாரோ தாக்க வந்த பாட்டிகளை நாரை நாராய் கிழிக்கும் Zorro. And that's how it's done, guys. What is this? Which was the first song I sang in the Tamil industry? Ha! I did a little humming for a movie called Onion. I don't know the name of the song though. What is it? Rainbow something. Rainbow Tirala. No, I can't remember. Oh, ole, 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 ole. And then Harris Jayaraj sir liked my voice, so he called me back and used my voice for Kannum Kannum Nokia. Maybe we should do a few lines of that. Yeah, my neighbors last time told me, they're like, your voice is echoing through the whole building. What are you doing? But it's okay. Everybody knows that there's a singer in the house, so it doesn't matter. Maybe we can do Kannum Kannum Nokia. Kannum Kannum Nokia, Nicole Cola Mafia, Cappuccino Coffee, Sophia. Kannum Kannum Nokia, Nicole Cola Mafia, Cappuccino Coffee, Sophia. Thermocol Sipamni, Unnelotti Condula, Chinna Valley Pandalam, Nanadi. Tanirin Sipamni, Kodakala Tahamnan. Unne monne nanjukul uchava aiva 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 anbe bava hey aiva 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 anbe bava. What else kannum kannum ipada paaditen master update. I have no updates, sorry. Taramani, hey guys, Taramani is it on Netflix? What is it on? It's on, but I know it's on an OTT platform. So those of you who haven't seen Taramani, please watch it. It's an amazing film. It's one of my best films, a film that I'm very proud of. So you guys should watch it. Oh, somebody wanted the English portion of the Pookal. I can do that. I remember that. தமிழ்ல தான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேங்க, என்னங்க இது, தமிழ்ல தான் பாடுறேன். Yeah. Oh, where would I be without this joy inside of me? It makes me numb, it makes me fly, it makes me want to fly into the sky. Oh, where would I be without you standing next to me? Oh, where would I be? Oh, where? Oh, where? That's what I sang in Pookal Pookum, guys. Anything else? Anything else? Mama Dowser. Good plan. You know what? Let me figure this out. If I can find a -1 track, maybe it will sound even better. Da luck. I have some -1 tracks. I just don't know where this one is though. Manase thorandaye nee enga nee kooti pore adiye adiye enga nee kooti pore adiye adiye I love this song. This was Sid Sriram's first song, if I'm not mistaken. Adiye. Pallanguri padapuriyala unna nambi varane indha kaattu payan oru aattukkutti pola un pinna sutturane Let's see what song comes up next. Oh yeah. Do you guys know this one? I feel like I'm on stage, guys. Baka pakamba 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 baka pakamba 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 mannadu mogathile vali bavagathile engire ilamai enna tarum podumai inime kanava engire ilamai enna tarum podumai inime kanava baka pakamba 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 baba pakamba pakamba pakamba. So when I sing these songs, I really miss my band. They're the ones who made this amazing minus track for me. Leon James, Keba Jeremiah, David Joseph, Kishore on percussion, Naveen on bass. What's the next song, I wonder? Disco, disco. Oh my god. No, we're not doing this one. I'm trying to find Google. Hey, I found Google. Can you guys hear? Google பண்ணி பார்த்தேன் உலகத்துல இவன் போல ஒரு கிறுக்கனும் பிறந்ததில்ல. யாஹூ பண்ணி பார்த்தேன் இவனை போல இந்த கிரகத்திலும் இன்னொருத்தன் கிடைக்கவில்லை. நான் டேட்டிங் கேட்டா வச்சு பார்த்து ஓகே சொன்னானே. ஷாப்பிங் கேட்டா இவனுக்கும் கூட்டி போனானே. மூவி கேட்டு நியூஸ் போட்டு பாப்கார்ன் தந்தானே. பாவமா நிக்கிறான் ஊரே விக்கிறான். Meet my boyfriend, my smart and sexy boyfriend. Meet my boyfriend, my smart and sexy boyfriend. This is where we all jump on stage. Even யாருன்னு இப்போ சொல்லட்டா. ஒரு ஹேண்ட்ஷேக் செஞ்சிட பொண்ணுங்க வந்தா ஜாயின் புள்ளிக்கா. மிலிட்டரி கட்டில் ஸ்டைல் இருக்கும். ஒரு மில்லிமீட்டர் சைஸ்ல சிரிப்பு இருக்கும். ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 6 அடி ஊரு யாரடி இவன் போல் குடி 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 குடி. Meet my boyfriend, my smart and sexy boyfriend. Oh, meet my boyfriend, my smart and sexy boyfriend. Google பண்ணி பார்த்தேன் உலகத்துல இவன் போல ஒரு கிறுக்கனும் பிறந்ததில்ல. யாஹூ பண்ணி பார்த்தேன் இவனை போல எந்த கிரகத்திலும் இன்னொருத்தன். உச்ச பார்த்து ஓகே சொன்னானே. ஷாப்பிங் கேட்டா இவனுக்கும் கூட்டி போனானே. மூவி கேட்டு நியூஸ் போட்டு பக்கம் தந்தானே. பாவமா நிக்கிறான் ஊரே விக்கிறான். Meet my boyfriend, my smart and sexy boyfriend. Oh, meet my boyfriend, my smart and sexy boyfriend. Oh, that's it. I think the brownies might be ready. The house is smelling good. Sam, தூங்கிட்டியா? Sam காணாம போயிட்டா. எங்க போயிட்டா? பசிக்குது. Okay guys, it's time. Is it ready, Sam? Is it ready?
Yeah.
Marvelous. Everybody say bye to the microphone. It's actually a hairbrush. See? But I never use it. Na idu use pandradhe illa. So I think its true purpose in life is the mic. That's the oven. Let's go guys. Let's go. Come on. Okay. Well, we have to do the toothpick test as always. Oops. And that's it.
It's my face.
It's okay. Nothing wrong with your face. I really wish you guys could smell over and stuff because it smells really good in here. This is my toothpick. Okay. Wow. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Ooh la la. Okay, this is the toothpick test. We have to put the toothpick to see if it's done. Yep, that's done. Ooh, it's a clean toothpick, so it's done. Excellent work. Okay, well. Okay, guys, that's round 2 of the Bake and Sing. We have this delicious brownie. We're going to take amazing pictures of the brownie and post it on Insta along with the recipe. And thank you all for joining. Hope you guys enjoyed the concert with the hairbrush mic. Okay, lots of love. Bye.